Oh yes. You are having a cooking show.
Yeah.
Okay, so start. I'm very proud of you.
Today we're going to make a Mexican food.
Mexican food.
Quesadilla and guacamole.
Quesadilla.
Hey,
What?
please focus, Mr. Mustache.
Don't give me a heart attack. Don't call me. Hey,
Okay.
I'm not very pleasant. My dear soul. Okay. So, what you cooking?
We are cooking quesadilla and guacamole. Okay. So we'll use the ingredients.
Ingredients.
First, guacamole.
Guacamole.
1 avocado,
Avocado.
half sliced tomato,
Tomato.
onion,
Onions.
and it was cilantro, but my mom doesn't like cilantro, so we only use celery leaves.
Let me see. Oh, the scent of that. It's very good. Gives the inspiration.
And pepper and salt. For quesadilla, cheese quesadilla, we will use garlic,
Garlic.
butter, cheddar, mozzarella, shrimp, and tortilla, most important,
Oh, tortilla. I love tortillas.
and tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
And
Good. Excellent. So, when are you going to start? You should
we'll
soon.
start now.
I am starving. Artist does not like starving moment.
Okay.
Now start.
Okay. Now we will make guacamole first.
Guacamole.
Kids, be careful because this skin is very hard, so careful of the knife.
Oh, be careful. Oh, I love the way you cook. Very good. That green. Green gives me inspiration. I need to bring my brush. Green. Okay, I'm going to draw. Drawing.
Crunchy, where are you? Now, cut the tomatoes in squares.
Cut the paper. I need to cut the paper.
No, cut the tomato, Mr.
Yes.
Mustache.
Oh, sorry. Am I disturbing you,
No.
young man?
You're not.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You're very generous.
Okay.
I love the way you talk.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mustache.
Inspiration. I need another color.
Mr. Mustache?
Yes.
Could you please look at me?
Of course.
Oh, you're so nice. Now, we have to cut the onions.
The onions. Yes, the onions. When I was a young man like
Yeah?
you, young man, I had a pet named Onions.
Okay, Mr. Mustache.
It was a white poodle dog.
Okay. Now
She was
cut.
beautiful.
Mr. Mustache,
Yes.
please focus.
Of course.
Oh, cause cut. You have to use a quarter of an onion, like this, and cut it in a square.
Oh, very nice.
And done. So now mash the avocado before.
Well done.
Yeah. Oh.
That onions reminds me of the color white.
Yeah. When the avocados are all mashed, sizzle some salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
I love to put salt and pepper in my drawings. It's like snowing.
And mix a little and put a half of the onion and half of the tomatoes.
Oh, the green. It's
Yeah.
like a green meadow. May I take a look, young man?
Okay.
Oh, fantastic. Mwah. Amazing. Very good. I love the way you cook, young man.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mustache.
It's my pleasure. It's my
Now,
pleasure
mix
to
it
serve
in.
you. Mix them again. It's like mixing my green paint with white paint. Oh, it's very similar. So cooking and art is a very similar thing.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache.
Oh, the color green. Oh yes, of course. Why didn't I think of that? I need to paint.
And a little bit of celery leaves. Now, the last step. Spray the lemon juice.
Oh, the lemons. It is the same color of me.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache.
Lemon. Where were you from all these days? I think I fell in love with Miss Lemon Darling.
Yeah.
The same beautiful color of the yellow, the color of the sunshine. Ah.
Now, the guacamole is all done. Now, it is time for cheese, shrimp, quesadilla.
Oh, quesadilla.
Sorry,
Oh.
Mr. Mustache.
Oh, gracias, young man, gracias. Oh, not gracias.
Okay.
Thank you, gracias, young man, gracias.
Now, the first step is to take off the tail of the shrimp. Just take off the tail like this with your fingers.
Good, very good.
Now, my hands are clean, and we have to pour a little bit oil and melt the butter.
Oh, the color of the oil is so golden. Yes, I love oils. I love
Yeah.
oil paintings too.
And a little bit of butter.
Butter. Even the butter is the color of me. The
Yeah.
oil is the color of me. The butter is the color of
Mr.
me.
Mustache?
Mustache is everywhere. Oh,
Mr. Mustache?
yes. I
Could you
love it.
pass me that?
Oh, of course. Here you go, young man.
Thank you, Mustache.
A young man should always use a very good cutlery things.
Okay.
It's very, very helpful. Tools.
Now,
Very
when
good
the
what is
butter
this?
melts, we have to put the garlic in.
This is something very hard. What is this? A rock?
Mr. Mustache,
Yes.
when you touch that stove, you will burn.
Oh, yes. A true artist is not afraid of anything.
Mr. Mustache, when
It's
it,
hot.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache.
Hot. Oh, the sound.
Yeah, Mustache, can
sound.
you?
The sound. is-
Yeah, sizzling.
Oh,
Now,
yes,
kids,
let me hear
when
it.
the
Amazing.
other side is cooked, turn over the shrimp like this when the shrimp is orange.
Oh.
Now, when the shrimp is fully cooked,
Yes.
put this on the plate.
Plate. The plate. Of course.
Now, turn on the stove and heat the the tortilla.
The tortillas. Yes.
Yeah, and put the sauce in half, in the half, or the quesadilla will pop.
Ooh, like a popcorn, like a volcano.
Yeah,
Yes, like there's always a saying, too much passionate is not good enough.
yeah.
That's my old grandfather of the grandfathers always said, art is quesadilla.
Oh,
Yes, you know what it means?
no.
Yes, it means art is quesadilla.
Okay.
Yes, it is much sounds better in
Now put
Spanish.
one cheddar in the half.
Half. And a half. Good.
And put a little bit of mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Oh,
First the shrimp.
oh yes, the shrimp. Oh, the color red. So you put the white and red and another red. Oh no, it was yellow. Oh, the combination of the color, it looks amazing.
Yeah, like a rainbow.
Yes, like a rainbow.
This mozzarella is so chewy and so fluffy, so I want to eat this right away. It's like goat cheese.
Ooh. Have you ever tried the goat cheese?
I think so.
Good. I never tried them,
Okay.
but I have a lot of drawings of goat.
Now, fold this in half.
Fold the tortillas into half.
Now, cook this for 1 minute.
1
And
minute.
when the another side is hard, then flip it.
It's very amazing.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache. Now the quesadilla
Oh, yes.
is done.
Oh.
Look at this melting cheese.
Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing.
It's so good.
Are you going to cut it in half?
Yeah, Mr. Mustache. How didn't you?
Well, I always cut my paintings too. Be careful with the sharp knives, young man.
Wow, it's so tasty. It looks so good.
Oh, the cheese is melting cheese.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache. I will show my quesadilla and you show your quesadilla.
Is your quesadilla done? So
Yeah.
the cooking is done?
Yeah.
Oh, good. The cooking is done.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's see. My art is done too.
Yeah.
It's the art. It's quesadilla. The passionate of quesadilla.
Hooray!
Look at the colors of the green, the red, the yellow.
Crunchy
I think it's amazing. Yes, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Now it's time to eat quesadilla. Put on the guacamole and have one big bite. Fantastical.
Yes, my art is fantastical.
Oh, my food is fantastical.
My art is fantastical. Gracias, gracias, gracias.
Bye, kids. See you next time.
Goodbye, children, and always be passionate, like me.
Yeah, Mr. Mustache. Let's go.
Yes.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Hello, who is it?
It's Mr. Sharky, Crunchy Munchy.
Oh, hi, Mr. Sharky.
Oh, you and Grant have a letter. Take a look.
Oh, I just got a letter.
No.
Yay.
You and Grant got a
Ah.
letter.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mr. Sharky. Oh,
Okay,
I've
bye.
got a letter, doo-doo-doo. I've got a letter, doo-doo-doo.
We got a letter, do-do-do. We got a letter, do-do-do.
I've got a letter, doo-doo-doo, just for me,
Just for me.
just for Crunchy. Open
Just
it up,
for
Grant.
Granty.
Who's it from?
Yeah, I think it is from
Oh,
Hannah and Hazel.
Oh, hi, Hannah. Hi, Hannah.
This
What
is
did
just a picture. They made a tuna sandwich and carbona tteokbokki.
Wow. Wow, you guys are such
So-
a great cook.
Thumbs up.
Wonderful. 2 thumbs up. My
Yeah.
2 hands up. They said, I love you, Crunchy Munchy, from Hannah and Tessa. Oh,
They
I love
didn't
you
say.
guys.
I love you, Grant. Not Crunchy Munchy.
Oh, I knew it. They made the foods for me. Oh,
Food for me. Carbona for
not
me.
you, for
Tuna
me.
sandwich for me.
Aw.
And green onion for the Crunchy Munchy.
What? No.
No, tuna sandwich for me.
No.
Carbona
Oh,
tteokbokki
thank
for
you, Hannah.
me.
Thank you, Hannah.
Green onion for the Crunchy
I'm
Munchy.
so famous and so popular. Thank you. I love you. What was that?
Nothing.
I love you. Oh, kids, maybe you can send us your pictures
Yeah.
too. Yeah, for me. Yeah.